welcome to the Arcus Help channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at the basics of asset debugging, and specifically exit codes. For example, this box of red text. This may be somewhat daunting initially, so let's take a look at what this message is trying to convey. Firstly, this is an error building the system, as opposed to an agent check-in failure. Continue to read, we will see that it gave an unexpected exit value of 5, and it will conveniently tell us which of the assets failed. In this case, make your way to the troublesome application and download it. Exit codes come in 3 varieties. A 0 exit code, in which Concert assumes success and continues. Non-zero exit codes, we'll talk more about in a bit, and exit code 255, wherein Concert will keep going even though there might be a problem. In the case of a non-zero exit code, a developer will have to provide exit codes, and these give you an opportunity to tag specific errors with specific codes. We encountered exit code 5. In this case, the error given for cannot find home directory for new user. As such, we attempt to reconfigure and relaunch this system. We'll have a better idea of what is going wrong. If you have any questions or if you would like to learn more, feel free to follow the links in the video description down below. These will take you to our help site, our support page, and our YouTube channel. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.